let's look at one of these petals. Now, you don't actually need to mix a range of tones if you've got the ability to mix tones with your brush. Here's what we're going to do. We take this dark tone. I'll practice it on the palette for you to show you how it works. You've got a sword stroke of dark down the edge of the petal. Maybe it's a little bit wider than that. Then you've got to clean your brush thoroughly on your paper towel. A lot of the time with oil, you can get away with doing a dry clean. You don't need to keep washing your brush. But in this case, we want to go pure white. Because in some of these petals, it comes almost to pure white. Oh, yeah. And some of them, it's sort of a half tone. So you might want to choose one of these other colours. Anyway, this is what you do. You take your white and you lay it in alongside. So you've got two separate areas. I'll show you with this pale tone so you can actually see it on the palette. So you can see there's a dark area and a light area. I dry clean my brush just by dusting it off thoroughly on the paper towel. Now what I'm going to do is, my flat brush here, I need to put 1 foot in the dark purple paddock and 1 foot in the pale purple paddock. Imagine 2 paddocks alongside and there's a fence line running down. It's actually, turns out it's a curved fence. This join line between the two is a fence. So you get your 2 little feet on your brush and you put 1 foot either side of the fence and you run your brush along, back and forth. If you do that enough times, you end up getting a beautiful gradient. Look at that. But the trick is to have 1 foot in each paddock. Yeah. And run along the fence line, not across the fence line. The more you just go again and again and again, and look, you get this beautiful gradient.